174 up at the top. Read along with me. We're going to find the time given the distance and the speed. Now let's review and remember that Stinky Tim died. Speed times time equals the distance. So if we know two of those numbers, it's easy to figure out the third one. Lucas ran around a field at a speed of 8 meters per second. So his speed that we plug in for the S is 8 meters per second. How long did he take to run a distance of 96 meters? Well, if you have a multiplication problem, let me give you one that's simple, and then you can see what I'm talking about. 4 times something equals 12. How do you find this number right here? Do you do 12 times 4, and that gives you that number? Well, no, that's 48. You actually do 12 divided by 4, right? And that gives you your missing number. So to figure out this number here, you just simply do a division problem. 96 divided by 8. And most of you already know from knowing your times tables that that is 12. So the time, and you have to look back at the unit of this, per second, 8 meters per second. So the time it takes him is 12 seconds to run that distance, the 96 meters, 12 seconds. All right, pause the video and do number 6, and then turn it back on to see if you got it right. Here we go. You should have already done number 6 on your own. It says the distance between city X and city Y is 216 kilometers. I'm going to write my formula first to make this easier. The distance is 216 kilometers. Thomas rides his motorcycle at a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. 54 is the speed, kilometers per hour. Now, how am I going to figure out that time? Well, again, just do a division problem. So 216 divided by 54. This is kind of like one of those guess and check type problems. I know that 50 times 4 is 200, so I'm thinking 54 times 4 is 216. And it is. Okay, so the time is 4, and again, I got to look back and see what it is. You can't just write a number. You have to write a label with it. It's going to take him 4 hours to cover that distance. So, and then they have another method here in the book, but we're just going to stick with that one. But let's go to page 175 next. We'll see you at that video.